Good morning, students. Jai Swabhinarayan. I hope you all are fine. As students, from today we are going to start a new lesson of our English, that is lesson number 10. The name of the chapter is A Boy Who Hated Vegetables. In this, we are going to know that a boy who was hating the vegetables, what was the result of this, and in the end what happened with him, that we are going to know from this chapter. Okay, now what is the name of the boy? You know, his name is Jeet. And which thing he used to love to eat? The thing which he used to love and he was always ready to eat was the chocolates. He just loved the chocolates. Okay, he also loved what? He also loved tasty dishes that were made by his mother. Okay, however, he would never eat what? You know, he would never eat any vegetables. Whatever his mother used to cook, make a dish from the vegetable, he was not eating that because he was not liking to eat the vegetable also. However, his mother would get angry whenever he was not eating the vegetables. Now what happened at that time? His mother would get angry also. But any vegetable dish, Jeet would always say loudly no. Means whenever his mother is used to cook the dish from the by using the vegetables, now he would loudly just say that no, I don't want to eat this dish. Okay. He did not like to eat any vegetables. Means what he was doing, he was not liking to eat any of the vegetables. He don't like to eat any vegetables. Name any vegetables and Jeet would say what? You know, he will say turn his face and move away. Means whenever he hear of any vegetable, now he will just make the faces and will just move from there. He would not look at even carrot. कैरेट का मतलब क्या होता है? यू नो, कैरेट का मतलब होता है गाजर. तो वो सारी वेजिटेबल्स का तो मना करता था, बट ही वॉज नॉट इवन रेडी टू हियर अबाउट द कैरेट ऑल्सो. हलवा topped with nuts and raisins, means he was not even eating the sweet dish made by carrot. Now by using carrot we can make the halwa by using the nuts and raisins, but he was not eating that also because it was made according to him. The carrot is a vegetable, so he was not he won't like to eat the halwa also. Jeet's father and mother would get very angry, and whenever they were seeing that he was not eating any of the thing, they were getting angry on him. But all the vegetables would feel more angry. Means whenever the Jeet was saying no for the vegetable, his father and mother were getting angry with him. But the vegetables were also not feeling well, and they were also getting angry that why he is not eating us, and they used to feel hurt. They were feeling that he is hurting us. Jeet does not like me. I also do not like him. Means when he used to say now that I don't like this vegetable, I don't like this vegetable, by hearing this sound, now what happens to them? The vegetable also starts saying that he don't like us, so we also don't like him. यानी हमें वो पसंद नहीं करता, हम भी उसे पसंद नहीं करते. मुझे तो वो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता है. See how he hates me, cried Carrot Tops. Means when the carrot heard now what that Jeet told that he don't like to eat carrot, so at that time he felt very angry and very sad also. And what he said, देख see how he hated me, कि देखो वो मुझसे कैसे hate करता है, मुझे इससे कैसे नफरत करता है. And who said that Carrot Top said angrily, I would like to spank the fellow. Spank means, what is the meaning of spank? Do you know? To hit. The meaning of spank is to hit. The means he was feeling like he has to hit the Jeet. Okay. Said means Bhindi. Bhindi said that at that time when the carrot was crying, at that time Miss Bhindi told that I am thinking like I want to hit him. Okay. And I know how to deal with his stubborn boy. Means who said this? A Karela said that I know how to deal with this stubborn boy with a naughty smile. Means he had made his face. He had his face now. On that he made a naughty smile and he said that I just know how to deal with this stubborn boy. By the time dinner was ready, all the vegetables have worked out their plan. Means and when the time was there now for dinner, at a time all the vegetables had made a plan how to deal with that boy na, who was Jeet. They were ready to make a plan against him. Jeet was fond of pizza. As the Jeet was very much fond of pizza, so he was very ready. He was ready to eat that now. So he was really standing there that he was going to eat now what? He was going to eat pizza. When the pizza was brought to the table, he greedily. What's the meaning of greedily? Selfishly. Means selfishly what he did? He started eating that pizza na. Put a piece of pizza in his mouth. Oh, this pizza is bitter. Bitter होना यानी कड़वा हो जाना. मीठा नहीं होता है ना, कड़वा होना. तो उसका पिज़्ज़ा जब when he put his pizza in his mouth, now what happened? You know, his pizza become better. He feel that it is taste is like bitter only. ही क्राइड. जैसे उसने देखा कि अरे इसमें से तो कड़वा सा टेस्ट आ रहा, तो उसे रोना आने लग गया. ही डिड नॉट नो दैट मिस्टर करेला हैड स्क्वीज हिज जूस ऑन हिज प्लेट. मीन्स आप तो जानते हो करेला कैसा होता है, कड़वा होता है. तो वह व्हाट करेला डिड, ही ड्रॉप्ड हिज सम पार्ट ऑफ हिज जूस ऑन हिज डिश. सो व्हेन ही हैज टेकन द पिज्जा ऑन हिज डिश ना, and he started eating that, he felt like the pizza is in a which type of way, it was in a bitter na, the taste was bitter, and he started crying. And by seeing that Karela was smiling there na, rubbish, his father shouted. And when he said that my pizza is not good, the bitter taste is there. So by hearing this na, his father was very angry and he said rubbish, and the father shouted. Okay, this is the part 1 of this chapter. Okay students, now we are going to start part 2. In this what happened, that we are going to know more about this part 2. Okay, but Jeet said when he ate that pizza na, he felt bitter na. So now what he did, he said to his father that it is really bitter papa. Means he thought that it is really very much bitter now, that pizza is very bitter now. So he said to his father that I asked for chocolate biscuit cake. Now what he said, that I am asking for chocolate biscuit cake and not the pizza. When the chocolate biscuit cake were being brought na, a cauliflower threw a big lump of salt into it. Means when his father brought the chocolate biscuit cake for him, now what happened at that time, what the cauliflower did with him, he had thrown the lot of salt on his chocolate biscuit cake. Now he lumped of salt into it. Jeet put a piece, and what happened with him? When he put a piece of chocolate biscuit cake na, into his mouth, he found it is so salty that he could not swallow it. So when he, after that bitter pizza na, he started eating the chocolate biscuit cake, and when he put that in his mouth, he found that it is very salty, and he found that it is so salty that he can't even swallow it. He can't even swallow that chocolate biscuit cake also. The chocolate biscuit cake is salty, mummy. Means now he said to his mother that mama, this chocolate biscuit cake is salty. But his mother and father did not believe him. But when he said that my pizza is bitter, my chocolate biscuit cake is salty, then also they were not ready to hear him, and they were not believing him that he was saying whatever he was saying is the true fact, that it is salty and the thing is salty and bitter. All he got was a spanking from being such a grumpy boy. What he got? Spanking means what? A spanking means for being such a grumpy boy. Jeet remained hungry as he had not eaten anything. The things which were made from vegetables, he was not eating that. And his pizza and his chocolate biscuit cake were bitter and salty. So he was hungry only. In the middle of the night, what happened? Jeet crept hungrily to the fridge. Means when he was feeling very hungry, he went near to his fridge. He took out a slab of chocolate and took a big bite. Means when he was feeling lot of hungry, because of that, what he did? He slab of chocolate and took a big bite in his mouth. But this tongue burned because the vegetable had rubbed chilies on the chocolate. So after this, when he was hungry, he came near to the fridge, and when he kept that slab of chocolate in his mouth, what happened? That his tongue like burned. His tongue was feeling like burned. Why? Because the vegetable had rubbed the chilies on the chocolates. So when he kept them in his mouth, he felt that they are tongue was just starting to burn. It was very बहुत तीखा था वो. Because of that, he was not able to keep in his mouth now again, and he felt that now his tongue is going to get burned. His mouth burned. Jeet turned to a big ball of gajar halwa. So as he tried that, all the things are of no use now. So what he did when his mouth started burning so what he did? He just turned to a big ball of gajar halwa. So when he searched other things, he was not finding any other thing, but he got the gajar halwa So what he done? A big ball of gajar halwa. He put a spoonful into his mouth. When his mouth was burning what he did? He took a spoonful of gajar halwa in his mouth. The halwa tasted so sweet and nice, and when he kept that halwa in his mouth, what he think at that time, that this is very wonderful in taste. The taste is so tasty, so sweet, and so nice also. He took another spoonful and then another. Means when he started eating one by one he started keeping in his mouth the spoons. It surprised him that gajar halwa could be so tasty, and when he kept one by one spoon in his mouth, he came to know at that time that this gajar halwa can also be so much of tasty, and he had always refused to eat it, and he thought that I was always refusing to eat the gajar halwa, but now he came to know that it is so tasty thing. He liked it so much that he ate up all the halwa in the ball. Means whatever was there in the ball he found that it is very tasty thing. It's really tasting. It's so nice. So what he did? He ate all the halwa from the bowl. Next morning, what happened? Jeet morning opened the fridge to take out milk for making what? For making the tea. So in the morning when his mother got up what she did? She goes near to the fridge to take the milk so she can make the tea from that She found the ball of gajar halwa was totally empty. When she was looking for the milk she found that the halwa ball was fully empty. Who had eaten the gajar halwa? She asked. And when she seen that it is an empty one, so she asked to everyone that who has eaten this gajar halwa? I ate it, Mummy, Jeet said. And when his mother was asking that who ate the gajar halwa, he said that I ate it. Mummy, Jeet said, you hate vegetables, don't you? Means when she heard that he said that I have eaten the vegetables, so she said, oh, that you are the person who always hate to eat the vegetables. Now how you like the gajar halwa and how you eat it and how you eat it fully. So what you did? So by that time now, yes mummy, I did hate vegetables but I don't anymore. Means what he said now, that I was hating the vegetables earlier, but from today I am not going to hate any of the vegetables. Now as when he had eaten the gajar halwa and he liked it, he thought that all the vegetables are good for taste, and he said that I will never going to hate any of the vegetables now. Jeet's mother was happy, and by hearing all these things now, Jeet's mother was very much happy, and she said, good boy, she said, and hugged him. Means when he said that I am not going to eat any of the vegetables, now I will start eating the vegetables. So she was very happy, and she just said good boy, and she hugged him. Okay students, so now what you are going to do, you will also try to become the students like not Jeet who hate the vegetables, but the second Jeet who started loving the vegetable also. Okay students, see here some of the meanings are also there. Fond of. Now what is the meaning of fond of? To like very much. The meaning of fond of is to like very much. Then nut. What is the meaning of nut? Akhrot. The meaning of nut is akhrot. To growl, to say angrily. To growl. What is the meaning of to growl? To say angrily. To spank. To hit. What is the meaning of to spank? To hit. To spank. To hit. Stubborn. What is the meaning of stubborn? One who did not listen. The person who did not listen is called stubborn. Stubborn, one who did not listen. Then greedily. What is the meaning of greedily? Selfishly. Greedily, selfishly. Then next is bitter. What is the taste that is called as bitter? Not sweet in taste. The thing which is not sweet in taste now, it is called as bitter. Bitter, not sweet in taste. Then lump. Lump is piece. What's the meaning of lump? Piece. Lump, piece. Then sparking. What is the meaning of sparking? Beating. Sparking, beating. Then grumpy. What is the meaning of grumpy? One who always complains. The person who always complains now is called as grumpy. Then to refuse, to say no. To refuse, to say no. So students, what you are going to do today? You are also going to open the book and read the lesson. Try to understand the chapter. Okay students, so bye and take care.